court is talking about caste rallies. Let us say there is a procession, there is a public meeting, and the backward classes tomorrow will ask in a caste rally that there should be a political reservation in Parliament tomorrow. Will the court ban this? Now,
my question is my question is beyond this. My question is I think there is I am in a complete minority on this, but I don't think that in the India of 2013 caste should be the divisive factor.
May I say something here?
Sankarshan, can I get Naresh Agarwal in for once, and then I'm coming back to you. Naresh Agarwal ji, where do you stand? Naresh Agarwal ji, आप इस पर कहा आपकी क्या राय है आज जो ये जजमेंट हुआ है इस पर?
देखिए, जजमेंट पर तो मैं कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता हूं, लेकिन सामाजिक व्यवस्था को अदालती आदेश से कभी बदला नहीं जा सकता है। जीवन में कुछ सत्यता होती है, उनको स्वीकार करना चाहिए। आज राजनीति में अगर आप अपनी जात के नेता नहीं तो राजनीतिक दल आपको स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे। आज जाति व्यवस्था इस देश का एक अंग हो गई है। नेहरू जी ने अपने को पंडित क्यों लिखा, इंदिरा जी ने अपने को पंडित क्यों कहा, अटल जी ने अपने को पंडित क्यों लिखा, बाबू जगजीवन राम को इस देश में शेड्यूल कास्ट का लीडर बनाया गया। आज मिनिस्ट्री में लोग जाति आधार पर लिए जाते हैं, आज टिकट जाति आधार पर बांटे जाते हैं।
मुझे
तो ऐसे में आप ये कहें कि हम अदालती आदेशों से जाति व्यवस्था,
आप मुझे ये बताइए नरेश जी ये बताइए मुझे भारतीय संविधान में कोई एक धारा आप दिखा दीजिए जिसमें लिखा हो कि भारत की राजनीति जात पर होनी चाहिए। आप मुझे शो मी वन प्रोविजन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन व्हिच सेज दैट पॉलिटिक्स शुड बी डन बाय कास्ट। शो मी वन प्रोविजन।
मैंने कहा कानून अलग की चीज है और सामाजिक व्यवस्था अलग की चीज है। बहुत सी सामाजिक व्यवस्था कानून से नहीं प्रवर्तित होती। तो कल अगर अदालत आदेश कर दे कि मंदिर में पूजा नहीं होगी, मस्जिद में नमाज नहीं पढ़ी जाएगी, तो क्या इस देश में ये संभव है?
ऐसा तो कुछ ऐसी कोई बात कही नहीं है। तो आप गलत बात उठा रहे हैं। आप गलत बात उठा रहे हैं।
हो सकता है
आप गलत बात उठा रहे हैं।
मैं बात सही उठा रहा हूँ। आज ये आप जान लीजिए कि 65 साल के इस शासन काल में तमाम ऐसी जातियां हैं जो आज अपना राजनीतिक महत्व चाहती हैं। वो अपना राजनीतिक महत्व तब हासिल कर पाती जब अपनी संख्या के बल पे वो अपना एक,
क्योंकि ये बहुत दुख की बात है, क्योंकि ये बहुत दुख की बात है, क्योंकि ये बहुत दुख की बात है। नरेश अग्रवाल जी बुरा मत मानिए, बहुत दुख की बात है कि 65 साल बाद आपके जैसे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज और बाकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इसी बात पर अड़ी हुई है कि जात पात हमारे राजनीति का एक अभिन्न हिस्सा होना चाहिए। आप किसी को भी पूछ लीजिए, मुझे तो लगता है
ईश्वर करे कि कल आप भी पत्रकारिता से राजनीति में आ जाएं,
ऐसा कोई
आपको पता लगेगा जाति व्यवस्था
आपको दो बातें कह दूं, दो बातें कह दूं नरेश अग्रवाल जी। ये पत्रकारिता से राजनीति में जाने का मेरी कोई उत्सुकता, इच्छा और कोई चांस नहीं है, तो उसको तो आप अलग रखिए। मगर दूसरी बात यह है, मैं तो बिल्कुल एक तरह स्टन्ड हो गया हूं, इतनी हिपोक्रेसी। क्योंकि आपके ही पार्टी के राजेंद्र चौधरी ने कहा था मार्च 4 तारीख को 2009 पे कि ये कास्ट बेस्ड पॉलिटिक्स तो हमारे संविधान के खिलाफ है और मायावती इसको इंडल्ज कर रही है और मायावती इस तरह की पॉलिटिक्स कर रही है। आप आज कुछ और ही कह रहे हैं। आपकी कोई तो कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है इस बात।
कहा कि ऐसा नहीं, मैंने कहा ना कि सामाजिक व्यवस्था अलग है, संविधान देश को अलग बांध रही है। कुछ ऐसी सामाजिक व्यवस्था है जिसको कानून से नहीं बदला जा सकता है।
I now open this up for debate.
एजुकेशन की जरूरत है, बहुत सी चीजों तो आप अगर सामाजिक व्यवस्था को कानून से नहीं बदल सकते, और जाति व्यवस्था इस देश का एक अंग है जिसको हमें स्वीकार
आपने बनाया है जाति को एक अंग, और उसको बदलने का समय आ गया है। मगर अगर बदला जाए if it is changed, the problem is if it is changed, Abhishek Manu Singh ji, it is very much possible. It is completely possible.
काम के लिए अपनी जात के नेता पास जाना,
it is completely possible. It is completely possible. Let's take a few callers in.
Not possible.
How am I being unfair to the political class?
Arnab, I need to say something here.
No,
you are being unfair to the political class.
On what basis?
I'll say something here. On Sunday, each newspaper comes up with its fat matrimonial supplement. Are the courts going to ban it? There are caste, subcaste, mini subcaste,
By
subcaste.
caste.
Let the courts ban those matrimony.
I have a strange situation tonight. I have a strange situation tonight. No, Sankarshan,
we can just lay the blame on politicians. We are clean, politicians are dirty.
Sankarshan, I'll tell you, there is no question of politicians being dirty. I am saying here today that on the news hour, I have political parties saying that the law may not apply. And I want to ask Abhishek Manu Singhvi, he's a lawyer. As far as I know, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Representation of People's Act, under it appealing to voters on the basis of caste is an electoral offence, rendering an election void. Abhi, to throw the Representation of People's Act and put it in the dustbin, Dr. Singhvi?
Arnab, that's precisely the point. That's precisely the point.
So the entire Mandal Commission recommendations were accepted.
No, let Dr. Singhvi respond.
Are they not caste groups?
Let me just make a quick few points because I have to go after that. I think we are going way off the topic and we are mixing up many topics. There is question number one. Is this court judgment the right way to do an objective, howsoever laudable? Two, what centuries has not changed and socio-economic upliftment and measures alone can change. Can a magical wand of a court do it? Now clearly the answer has to be that a court judgment cannot do this. It would, as a lawyer, I have no hesitation in saying that it is highly likely that it will be reversed or stayed by a superior court. The reason it can't do it also is that it appears to be wholly without jurisdiction and well beyond the parameters of judicial
Dr.
review.
Singhvi, Dr. Singhvi,
Most importantly,
Dr. Singhvi,
judges, one second,
Dr.
please let me
Singhvi,
complete
one second, Dr. Singhvi, one second, Dr. Singhvi, I thought Sonia Gandhi in October 2010 said, Sonia Gandhi in October 2010 said, I appeal to voters to reject caste politics for a prosperous and developed Bihar. I don't understand this. Please explain to me. How do you take that line?
That's the mixing of the topic.
No, it is not mixing up the topic.
So
I'm expanding the scope of the topic.
Court orders are not
Leave
the
the
right
court
way
order
to
aside.
stop what you call caste politics.
Leave the court
That's
order
the first
aside.
thing. And you can't implement it.
Leave the
Second
court
point.
order aside.
Welcome
Did
to
your
it.
party mean
Yes.
it?
It's a very laudable objective. It's a very laudable objective to reduce and to minimize the importance and significance of caste identity. Objective is laudable. Just like it is a laudable objective to prevent the discrimination of those who have been oppressed over the centuries. But the way to do it is to have socio-economic programs every day to uplift them. Start having communal marriages between castes.
Dr. Singhvi,
if you have sustained basis,
Dr. Singhvi, the hypocrisy is in the open today. You take one line in public.
While the reality is there, every party, no party can ignore the reality of caste identity. But somebody will wave a magic wand.
You are perpetuating it.
I wave a magic wand, and all of you must start ignoring it.
You are perpetuating it. You are perpetuating it. Yes, Prakash Javadekar. Now the next phone call after Prakash Javadekar comment. First caller after Mr. Javadekar. Go ahead, Mr. Javadekar.
My comment is that we all should really aspire for and try for a society which votes on basis of ideology and issues. Today we are facing inflation, corruption, non-governance, and these are the issues. So the people should really vote on that. But unfortunately, as people are suggesting, that is not the 100% reality. What we are seeing, different sections vote differently. Different sections vote differently on different yardsticks.
I am so shocked. I am so shocked.
Not to accept.
No, I am so shocked. I am so shocked.
Fact remains.
I am so shocked, Prakash Javadekar. I am completely shocked. I am completely shocked that the party which poaches Vittalbhai Radadia after speaking against him goes on to say we aspire that criminals will not join politics, and the same party which organizes Kshatriya Sambelans and Brahmin Sambelans and MBC Sambelans, goes ahead and says today through its representative Prakash Javadekar that caste should not be a factor. Our viewers will think political parties perpetuate caste. And this is the open hypocrisy.
No.
You say there should not be caste-based politics, but all of you are defending it tonight.
Of political parties.
All of you are defending it tonight on the news.
Caste is not creation of caste is not creation of political parties. Please, please.
Prakash Javadekar, I don't know what Prakash Javadekar, I don't know.
I will give you some time.
Prakash Javadekar, Mr. Javadekar,
what is actually happening?
Mr. Javadekar, I don't know whether your experience of this country is the same as mine, but let me tell you that an entire generation of Indians, the caste was reinforced and embossed on their minds, through Mandal. And the same generation, religion was reinforced and embossed on their minds by your party and LK Advani during the Babri Masjid demolition. Why don't you take your responsibility? Will you say tomorrow that we didn't even play the religion card? You'll say we didn't play the religion card? VP Singh didn't play the caste card? Like VP Singh played the caste card, Advani played the religion card.
Our appeal for 2014 is
sparing no thought.
सबका साथ सबका विकास, सबका साथ सबका विकास, 125 करोड़ का भारत.
Mr. Gandhi is our first caller from Baroda.
आप उसमें वो मत करो.
Mr. Gandhi is our first caller from Baroda. Mr. Gandhi, good evening. This is Arnab here. Where do you stand on this? Do you think we can look at politics beyond caste? What would you like to say?
Well, Arnav, I think what you said is right, that these political parties, they speak one side on the national news channel and they act differently. I wish if Gandhiji was born today, probably he would hang himself, in shame. And I think this should stop immediately.
No, not at all. He wouldn't do any such thing.
And this casteism must stop, because everybody has one vote in India, and it is the Indian who should vote. There should not be any casteism. And we all disagree with that.
Ashwin Gandhi, I want Kancha Elaya to respond to you. Stay on the line. Kancha Elaya, that's a view coming in from Baroda. Go ahead, respond to Mr. Gandhi.
No, Arunab, even these youth who are between 18 and 30, tell me how many of them are out of their caste system, how many of them cannot identify themselves with the caste in marriage. Now the question today is whether political parties, whether civil society groups, whether individuals, whether marriages, when they are happening on caste lines, how can you say that the court is right in looking at caste as a judicial matter and saying that there cannot be caste rallies? Now will court tomorrow say that there cannot be class rallies? Will say that there will not be race rallies? There will not be gender rallies. What is judicial?
I have a simple question. It may appear naive to, it may appear, but I remember that ahead of the Gujarat elections, the Congress party did something they called in Patan. They had a Kshatriya Asmita Sammelan. Why don't you have a Bharatiyata Asmita Sammelan instead of a Kshatriya Asmita Sammelan? There will be many more Indians who will participate. Why should any Sammelan be exclusive of the people of any caste? Why should it be? Is this the kind of exclusion we are practicing in our country today? I mean, that itself is a ploy to perpetuate these divides in our society. Mr. Kumar is calling in from Bangalore. Next caller. Mr. Kumar, good evening. Arnab here. What would you like to say on this?
Yeah, good evening, Arnab. Really, we have herited it from Britishers. They said divide and rule, and all our political parties
didn't invent the caste system, for God's sake.
Let him speak.
No, it didn't mean for caste system. It didn't mean for caste system, But Mr. Sankarshan Thakur, I don't agree with you. Okay, but please be quiet and let a caller express his views. Yeah. What I am saying is divide and rule. Now political parties are dividing us based on the caste. It's very difficult to find an Indian. ये बहुत मुश्किल है किसी भारतीय को ढूंढना. आपको एक ब्राह्मण मिलेगा, आपको एक गुजराती मिलेगा, आपको एक तमिल मिलेगा. किसी को भी पूछिए आप कौन है, तो मैं भारतीय हूँ, मैं इंडियन हूँ. नहीं, ये कहने के लिए ही है, लेकिन practically all
Lalit Kumar, the voice which is coming out is that 21st century India must rise above religion and caste. Or none of our panelists are agreeing. Not one, not Naresh Agarwal, not Sankarshan, not Prakash Javadekar or Kancha Elaya. That's the voice, and I can assure you, Sankarshan, these are not planted callers. These are callers calling in today. Now, would you say all these people are also out of touch with reality?
They don't understand India. They are as duplicitous.
Really?
They are as duplicitous. Yes, of course.
मुझे ये कहने में गर्व है कि मैं वैश्य समाज में पैदा हुआ मुझे कहने में गर्व है कि
Where are we
वैश्य
living?
समाज को हम राजनीति
क्या बात कर
में
रहे हैं?
एकत्र करने के लिए अपनी जी जान लगाए हुए हैं और मैं खुश
Indian-
होऊंगा कि जिस दिन
each
वैश्य
Indian
समाज
lives
को
several
एकत्रित
identities
करके
in one.
राजनीतिक रूप में
If you can't
सक्षम
recognize the
कर दूंगा,
pluralism in each
ये मैं
Indian,
एक समझूंगा कि
you can't
मैंने जन्म
recognize
सही
India.
लिया है और मुझे कहने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि मैं वैश्य समाज का एक लड़का हूँ और वैश्य समाज को यूनाइट करके
that is your social identity, that is your social, that may, no, one sec, गर्व अलग बात होती है.